Welcome to the What's New with CCH Axcess Financial Prep video series. In this video, we'll talk about the new enhancements that'll be available as part of the July 2020 release. In this release, we'll have new functionality on the All Engagements page, allowing you to more quickly and easily find your engagements within the All Engagements page. You'll now be able to check your engagement license status to see how many engagements you have purchased, how many have been used, and how many are remaining. You'll also now be able to tag work papers directly to the tax summary report. You'll also see we've implemented a recycle bin for your work papers so that you can easily delete and fully purge that from your engagement or even possibly restore that. And we've now added the ability to add a work paper index. So we're going to jump over to the application and we'll start here on the All Engagements page. First thing that you'll notice is now instead of scrolling through maybe hundreds of engagements, you're now going to see your engagements listed by default 25 per page, but you can actually change that to 50 or 100 so we can quickly and easily navigate and find an engagement. But also to improve finding an engagement, you now have the ability to search on the All Engagements page. So you can search by the client ID, the client name, the engagement name, or even the year-end date. Maybe I'll search for engagement name and I'll put the word release. Notice it quickly finds any engagement with the word release in the name, and I can jump directly to that engagement. Now the next feature, the engagement status, this is going to be available either in the top right-hand corner of the All Engagements page, or if I'm in a specific engagement, I can also access the same information. The engagement status will tell the firm how many engagements they have purchased, how many they have used, how many they have remaining, and their subscription end date. In this example, it's actually a beta customer, but typically you would see, for example, maybe 75 licenses used or 75 licenses purchased. Maybe I've used 70 of those engagements and I have 5 remaining. This will simply help a firm determine when they need to possibly upgrade to the next tier to get additional engagements. The next new feature is going to be the ability to tag a work paper directly to the tax summary report. When I upload a work paper, maybe this gross receipts document, first thing I'm going to do is be able to also give it an index. So let's say this is work paper 1000.10, and then I can go ahead and give it a tag. Now we previously had the ability to tag directly to a lead sheet. In this case, however, I'm going to be tagging for tax purposes to the tax summary report. So I can tag a work paper to tax general, farm, rental, or unassigned. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and say tax general, and I'm going to go ahead and say finish. Now you'll notice that work paper is immediately uploaded. I can see the index, I can see the work paper, and now if I go to the tax summary report, and I'm specifically looking at the general tab here, I'll be able to see every work paper that I have tagged to this area of the tax summary report. The last feature here is simply a recycle bin. So for example, if I uploaded the wrong work paper, I can go to the actions menu, I can delete that work paper, confirm its deletion, go over to the recycle bin, and now I have the ability to either restore that back to my work papers page, or I can delete that in its entirety.